Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free, 99, cost you nothing. Hit that red subscribe button, okay? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and make sure your notification bell is turned on so you don't miss a video, because you know YouTube be wilding out, okay? So today we will be what? Tracking our expenses. Where's my money? Where's my money, or where did it go? So let's go ahead and track some expenses. You know, we need our wallets and our trackers. Let's get right into it, y'all.
Because I'm asked, what the what? What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside. Okay.
Date night is up front just because we added it at the last minute. I have not spent any money because it was $20 from our savings tracker. And I'm just going to keep on. It's supposed to be a Valentine's Day savings, but I love myself. So I'm just going to keep on saving. I do want to eventually go get myself some flowers for the house, but the weekend of Valentine's Day, when I planned on using this, I ended up going on a road trip unexpectedly to help my dad do a delivery, so that didn't happen, but that's all right. Groceries says it has $6 and it still has $6. This is the last week in February, so I'm gonna make this $6 last. I still have pasta. I actually don't have any fish. I do have some of the salted fish, so I might make some saltfish with callaloo because I still have that. And I might make some like more vegan-y with like pesto pasta. And I want to buy some broccoli or string beans with the $6 and maybe a snack. So we'll see what we do with that. And then gas money. Let's see where we're at. We got a few receipts in here, so let's talk about it. Can I get my pen though? No. I think I was holding my pen hostage. All right, so we have, says I gave them $30 for gas, but I actually only used $16 for gas, and I had $4 left, and I ended up getting some chips that were $3, basically $2.91, so I had $1 left. So let's write that down. This was all yesterday when I filled up, so that was $2.21. It's funny, $2.12 and then $2.21, exactly the opposite almost. And then it was, gas was $16, which I was shocked. I gave them $30 because I was a little under half tank, and the gas was up to like $3 and some change, and I thought it was going to be more, but it wasn't. So let's get our calculators out. Calculator. Okay, so we had $100 left, and then we spent $16 on gas, which leaves us with $84, and then we spent $3 on just chips same day, $2.21. I did it again. I took chips at the gas station. Ended up being, it was a bigger bag, and I ate it for dinner. I just did not feel like cooking, and I was just tired. But I try not to do that anymore. And I will give myself props. It should be $81. Minus 3, 84 minus 3, $81, but we'll do it. We had $84, and we're going to subtract $3, leaving us with $81. So I try not to do that often, and I've gotten much better, so I'm not giving myself too much of a hard time. These need to be scanned in my Fetch app to get my 25 points for gas. So let's see if we actually have $81 left. So you have 20, 40, 60, 70, $81. We only have a week left, and so that's amazing. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. Yeah, $81. We only have a week left, and I don't think we're going to use probably more than $20 more of gas, so I'm excited because whatever we have left over in this, that's lotion. We usually have, we'll be able to stuff on our saving challenges, but I ain't gonna lie, right now I'm really trying to save for my bed frame, a metal bed frame in my master bedroom, because I've been sleeping in my guest room for a very long time, and the reason I don't sleep in my bedroom is because I got a brand new frame, like the bottom frame, but then when I was putting together that frame, the box spring was also broken, and I was like, I'm just gonna get a metal box spring as well. That's like almost $150. So, but I think for March, that is what I'm saving for. And so I might neglect some of the other saving challenges just to get what I'm doing, just to get where I'm going. Like, I really just want to start focusing on things I need right now. So self-care. Self-care doesn't have any receipts. So it says we had $51 in self-care. I'm assuming we still have 51, 20, 40, 51. We do have $51 still left in self-care. My pedicure actually is still pretty good. The heels are a little rough, but the toenails still look fine. I'll probably let this ride out into March and then get my pedicure in March, in the beginning of March. But I might also get some a few things out of self-care out of this money before the end of the month. So we'll see what's left of that. And then eating out, I don't see any receipts. Nope. So eating out is supposed to have $35, and it still has 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Perfect. Still has $35, which I can always, actually, this weekend is an eating out weekend, so this will probably get used because I'm supposed to be having a movie night with my cousin and maybe his girlfriend. So at my house, I'm thinking about maybe picking up some pizza, flatbread, and popcorn. So I'll probably use it out of my eating out money. So I'm not sure that's going to remain. But glad to have some money in there, and always like my backup for grocery. Have fun. Girl, how do you get over there? So have fun. It's supposed to have $20. However, have fun has extra money. And let me explain. So these are the $21. Let's put that there. $20. This is the $20 that was in have fun. Technically, it's still there. So I'm going to put this back with the $20. Then I'm going to explain the rest of the money. So just before, when I was telling you guys, I had a road trip. Impromptu road trip. My dad needed someone to come with him on this trip. It was going to DC. It was a far distance. My mom was out of town for a funeral, and I already had Friday off. Like, I had requested that Friday off. And so I was like, okay, I guess I'll go. And, you know, my best friend said this thing to me, and I was like, dang, I was looking forward. I was like, I was thinking in my head, like, I'm looking forward to having a 3-day weekend. But then my best friend was like, spend time with your dad. And that's all she had to say to me. And I was like, you know what? You're so right, because you don't know when you're going to lose a parent or how long they'll be in your life. And to have the time off, it was like the time was already off. I didn't have to use a day. I'd already taken the day off. And it worked out. Like, I got to spend time with my dad. We went past Virginia, so we actually stayed at my sister's house. I got to see my nieces and nephews up there. It worked out. So I'm so glad that I went. But that being said, is you guys know that in this binder, I have a grace envelope. And the grace envelope always has my have fun money. So I know I only had $20. And I was like, that's not going to work. And so I had $183 in there. And I took out $83 for the road trip and left $100. What I have left from the road trip is $51. So out of $83 that I took out, minus $51, I only used $32. And so I don't think I did bad at all. We came back on Sunday, we left on Friday. My sister's husband actually cooked me some fish tacos, because y'all know I wasn't eating meat and whatnot for now. And I actually ate me some meat today, and it hurt my stomach. Shouldn't have did it. But why is my computer, my little thing, just shut down? Did it die? I think my calculator thingy just died on us. Okay, anyway. So that being said, I know that was a long old story. I'm sorry. But the $51 is what's left. I didn't try to I know I scanned and threw away receipts, but I wasn't really trying to keep up with that. I was like, this is fun money. I'm not going to be all ridiculously stringent on keeping track of it, as long as I don't go over what I gave. So now on 2/22, love today's date, 2/22, I'm going to put back $51. So this is going to be leftover fun money from the trip. And we're just going to add that back in. So we're going to add back in $51. So we have $151 left in this envelope, which absolutely works for me. 151, because I don't have anything. 151. I don't have anything planned for the rest of the month as of now. And I'm going to put that back in Grace because we still already have $20 left in there. And for the pizza movie night I'm planning at my house, if I need extra money, I could take it out of fun. I feel like that's also a fun thing I'm planning to do if I need to do that. Then giving still has nothing, you guys. So giving has $0 because we did the gift card and gave to a family member. That's been done early in the month. And then the credit card, y'all. This is the $10 that I was supposed to give to my part of the gift card. I don't know what this is. My part of the gift card. But I'm going to keep it. Since I took, what I ended up doing was taking $10 out of the buffer that I had in my operating account for bills. I just put that towards the credit card to pay for the gift card. So I'm going to keep this, and I think I'm actually going to put it either in household or I'm going to put it in groceries. But I'm just letting it sit in credit card right now. I don't know why this is still in here. Oh, okay, so this is the credit card for the beauty supply stuff, which I've already logged, so I really don't need it. But since it's a part of the month, I guess I'll just keep it in there for now. And then miscellaneous, aka household, has $20, and that's what it's supposed to have, $20. This, I do need deodorant and panty liners, so I probably will just take it out of this household money because I think there's only $10 on the online household money account. Just FYI and some information for y'all. That is that there. So now I'm just going to go ahead and log everything in here. I don't think but 2 categories need to be updated. If any, did I spend any money? Yes. So I'm going to look through these really quickly again and update that on my logbook in the planner, and I'll be right back to show you that. Okay, so the book has been updated. I started to write the fund money in, but it wouldn't make sense because this was not included in the original balance, and because at the end of the month I'm going to put like how much was in the envelopes first and how much we saved. If I put that we spent 32, we really didn't spend 32 in fund money. We spent it out of the Grace money, which is not included in this. I hope that makes sense. So I really only needed to add the marathon gas charge and the marathon chips charge, ones I put under gas and one that I put under kind of like eating out. And then I'm going to white this line out, because technically it's not a part of this. If that makes sense to you, let me know, but that is what I did. And again, the only thing on the card right now is the beauty charge, which we had that receipt for. I don't think I've charged anything. Only other things that would come up on the card are like automatic things like the security and the security system. There is another charge that will come up on my Saver card for $30 for an Amazon purchase, but I thought I put it on a gift card and I didn't. But we will go about paying that as well. But you guys, that's it. And my no spends are going good. I think I'm supposed to get 15. I think I'm up to day 13. Speaking of which, I had to go online today, y'all, and order batteries for my motion detector. And I think they're like $8. And I used the points. I don't think that should be a spend day for me, because I did not want to buy no batteries for my motion detector in the house. Like, that seems like a house charge that should be a no spend day. Let me know down below if you consider that a no spend day. Now, if I go out and buy something to eat or something like that, cool. But like fixing something in your house that you didn't know would need batteries, or buying batteries for something like that, I don't think that's going to be a no spend day. I'd love to hear your comments. I mean, it is going to be a no spend day. I'd love to hear your comments on it. Let me know what you think. But that is all I have for today, guys. I am so excited. Got my water on deck, thirsty. That went so much faster. Didn't have a lot spending this week, and I'm getting better at this. I think I'm coming up with a better system. So if you are trying to track, make sure you just keep going, guys. It does get easier. You get a little better at it every single time. And sometimes it does take long because you spend more money in 1 week than you spend in another, but don't stop tracking. All right, guys, it's good to know where your money is going. Thanks so much for watching. If you made this far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and your notification bell. Thank you for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Jazz hands. Love you, mean it. Bye.